It's Dena's turn to install a package of bees. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm gonna pull.
You may want to loosen that thumbtack first so you can grab the queen cage while... There you go. I used that tape to kind of pull the can up a little bit.
You did?
Yeah. Or not.
I say mine's not sticky enough.
Are you going to spray them first?
Should I spray them now?
Sure.
Take the can out?
Yeah, if you want to, and then kind of knock them down a little bit.
Whoa, there's a lot of them on the outside. I should have went first. Excuse me.
You may want to knock them down a little bit so they're not all hanging on the can.
No, but I don't know where to grab. There's bees all over the outside. Ew, one just duty on my finger.
Oh, great.
Gross.
I got wet ones.
There you go.
They ought to have a little metal loop on those that you could just pull it up.
There you go.
Ouch.
Did you get stung?
Nope. Thumbtack.
The thumbtack got you.
Ouch.
Gently, gently.
Is it stuck?
Yeah. Mine's not coming out.
Kind of wiggle it around a little bit. There you go. They may have built some work home or something on the bottom.
Oh, please don't kill anybody.
There you go.
All on the bottom. Lay it over on the side maybe. There's a ton of them on the bottom, Dena.
That's fine. They're good. Good job. She's got the queen cage.
So
Now where does that
4
go?
Or 3?
Yeah, that's good right there.
What'd you do to get these fellas off? Nothing?
I just kind of shook it.
Oh, my queen's moving.
There you go.
Okay.
Got to take the cork out.
You know the other ones are.
What'd you use?
Just one of the knives.
I'm probably in everybody's way. No, you're not in anybody's way. I just seem like I'm always in the way.
Now that's the cork on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
That you're
Oh.
taking out. If you take
This
the
one.
top cork out,
She comes out.
she comes right out.
Please don't sting my fingers.
Good job.
Way to go, Dena. I love that.
Now you're probably going to have to turn that tack around.
Off my finger.
Do you know what I mean?
Twist it around.
Well, take it out and put it in the other way because you're going to have to loop it this way. There you go. Here, I'll just hold
Like
it
that?
for you.
Oh, I'm going to have to stretch the little dilly over.
The other way, yeah.
I see what you're saying. Do you see it?
I
That's
do.
bee poop.
There you go. First-hand experience. Use a little thumbtack so she doesn't go anywhere.
Yep. It's in there.
There you go.
It's my new little friend.
Little friend.
She's thinking about stinging.
No. She's just getting any syrup that might be on your hand, right?
Sure.
Are your hands sticky?
Probably.
Yes.
Go ahead, little girl. Okay.
Now, where did you put your frames?
Well, my frames are up there, but I gotta get my bees in here first.
Oh, that's right. So you want to put your frames together a little bit? Now comes the fun part, right?
Oh, yeah.
I think I'm more nervous for you than I was when I did it.
I'm nervous for me too.
I can't figure out how come the bees know which hive to go into.
Well, they might get mixed up a little bit for now.
Yeah, they'll work it out.
They'll work it out. Okay.
Maybe spray them one more time and then knock them like you did. That was a really good knock. I think that was better than mine.
That was a super knock.
Ooh, there's a drone.
Oh, yay.
What do they look like?
They're great big.
They're big, yep.
And they're not worth anything.
Drones,
They're not worth a plug nickel. No.
drones don't have stingers, so you don't have to worry about that.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Here we go. A little over the queen.
It sounds like you're dumping a box of wheat or something in there. Grain.
Now, don't do what I did and dump them all over the ground.
Get off my hands, please.
Boy, that was a big one.
I still got quite a bit in there.
Hit them again.
How many thousands were in each box?
About 10,000. Oh, that's a good
that's a
one.
hummer. Look at that.
Okay.
Let me get a shot inside there.
You think that's enough if I just set the rest down?
I think that's great. You did awesome.
They're all around your feet.
I know.
Don't stand.